That part of it is where all that stuff over there is.
This is a bathroom.
Back underneath the
Bathtub.
Oh,
Toilet.
that's what I need to do.
Be careful. Take a break and I'll help you get that out.
Yeah. No, we can't do it. What I need,
There's news channels from everywhere.
I'll
This
get
is
in
his
there.
backyard.
I'll get you in there.
Everything blown everywhere. You can see over here.
Careful.
This house still standing.
And the house that Lynn lived in?
Yeah.
I'll show you where it's at, Rick.
It's crazy. Very, very, very crazy. His house was right here. And when it exploded, it flew over there.
Yeah.
From the tornado. So, hope you guys like the first-hand videos.
Rick, the microwave's good. Get more of that stuff over.
We've been here all morning digging through what we can.
Well, like I told him.
So,
This here.
hope you guys enjoy the videos, but I'm going to get back to work.
Just blow this house apart.
Bye.
What I got people want to come, don't make it such a wicked, but